Hello everyone, welcome to Guidely. This is Aditya. So SBI news last 6 months. What I am going to do in this video, I'll cover the data from April 2025 till 15th of November 2025. That is going to be more than enough. If you are going for the SBI PO interview or your SBI clerk means examination, दोनों के लिए काफी ज्यादा important data होगा. Quickly we are going to cover into the session. So welcome to everyone. PDF will be available in this Telegram group. So just scan the code, join the group. PDF you will be able to see either in the file option or in the pin option. तुरंत ज्वाइन करके चेक करोगे तो पिन ऑप्शन में मिल जाएगा. Otherwise next day you will be able to find it in the files itself. ठीक है, चलिए. One important information before moving toward the session. Our Hustle 2.0 batch for your upcoming RRB PO and RRB clerk examination. If you want to prepare GA properly, you can join the batch. It is available just at 599 at present. My IBPS PO interview batch and interview Pro Plus option is available on the Guidely, where you will be able to get in the Pro Plus, you will be able to get the interview batches of RRB PO, IBPS PO, LICAO. Different interview batches are available in one package. You can check the details. Starting with the news number 1. Public sector bank posted the profit of 49,500 crore rupee approximately. 49,500 crore is the profit generated by the PSBs in the quarter 2. मैं quarter 1, quarter 2 दोनों के profit बता दूंगा PSBs के. Along with that, what was the profit generated by State Bank of India out of that, वो हमको cover करना होगा. So quarter 1 means April, May, June, and quarter 2 means July, August, and September. So this was the July, August, and September quarter. In that, profit was 49,500 crore approximately. Out of which around 40% of profit generated alone by the State Bank of India. तो SBI ने profit generate किया है 20,160 करोड़ का. So 20,160 crore is the alone profit of State Bank of India in the quarter 2. In term of profit percent, अगर बात करते हैं कि highest profit growth की, that last year profit was 2,000 crore and now 10,000 crore, like this growth. So in term of profit growth, Indian Overseas Bank is on the top, but in term of overall profitability, which bank is on highest in term of profitability? SBI will be your answer. Clear है? चलिए second, अब एक quarter 2 का बता दिया मैंने आपको, quarter 1. So quarter 1 means we are talking about the April, May and June. So in the April, May and June current financial year, the profit was 44,200 crore rupee approximately. And again, the SBI contribution was 43% out of total profit. So आपका जो profit बन रहा है वो बन रहा है quarter 1 का 19,160 करोड़ रुपी, quarter 2 का है 20,300 करोड़ approximately. ठीक है, 19,160 करोड़ was the profit of SBI in the quarter 1. तो ये आपका profitability हो गया quarter 1 and quarter 2 का. Then for the last financial year, State Bank of India have generated the net profit of 70,901 crore rupees. This was the profit generated by SBI in the last financial year. Out of the total profit, SBI paid the dividend of 8,000 crore rupee to the finance minister. So this was the dividend. Dividend means profit sharing with the government of India. तो government of India को जो profit share किया है SBI ने, dividend share किया है last year का, that was 8,076 crore. ठीक है, थोड़ा speed पकड़ेंगे. State Bank of India became the first bank to cross 100 billion market capitalization and 100 trillion, that is 100 lakh crore total business. 100 billion market capitalization means market capitalization is the overall or total of the price of one share into the total shares into the market. That is what the market capitalization. तो पहला Indian bank बना है, first Indian bank to cross 100 billion market capitalization and first bank to cross 100 lakh crore rupee in term of total business. This is what the achievement of State Bank of India during the quarter 2 of the current financial year. So SBI have joined the major firm like Reliance Industries, TCS, even being from the banking sector, that is also a public sector bank. It became one of the most profitable public sector bank now. Next one. Public sector bank have done the write-off of 5.82 lakh crore rupee in the last 5 years. This was the data shared by the finance minister. And last financial year, write-off was 91,000 crore. Write-off meaning, if you don't know, write-off means from the NPA, when banks are removing the NPA from the balance sheet and putting it into the loss. that now this is not the part of our NPA, this is the amount which we are ready to sell to ARCs कि ये पैसा अब ये जो loans है it is not going to be recovered by us, we are done, हम रिकवर नहीं कर पाएंगे, सो वी आर गोइंग टू सेल इट टू एआरसी, तो उसको कर देते हैं राइट ऑफ, रिमूव कर देते हैं बैलेंस शीट से, बट दे आर कंटिन्यू, दीज लोन्स आर कंटिन्यू टू बी रिकवर्ड नॉट बाय द बैंक बट बाय द एआरसी, उसे कहा जाता है राइट ऑफ. सो लास्ट ईयर राइट ऑफ अमाउंट वाज 91,260 करोड़ रुपए. Highest write-off was done in the year 2021 and last year it was 91,260 crore. That was the write-off done by the public sector banks. Moving to the next news. State Bank of India is on the top in terms of banking ombudsman complaints. तो एक रिपोर्ट आया है BRSR report, that is called Business Responsibility Sustainability Report. In that says that the report says that in the last 1 year 6.87 lakh complaints have been recorded for State Bank of India. Means SBI is on the top because customer base is so high, right? Customer base high hai, that is one of the reason why the SBI is on the top in term of complaints also. But you need to remember that in term of complaint, State Bank of India is on the top. In the private sector bank category, Axis Bank is on the top. PSB mein State Bank of India hai. SBI launches recently SBI Star, that is called Staff Talent Acknowledgement Recognition Honor, a type of initiative where the State Bank of India employees will be recognized for other things as well, not only for their work, not only for banking. If they are performing well in the art, literature, sports, culture, social work, dance, in any other field, if they are doing something good, so SBI will be awarding them in that category also. So SBI नया एक चीज लेकर आया जिसे कहा गया है SBI Star. So you need to write in the comment box if you are going to join State Bank of India, that will you be the part of SBI Star initiative or not, कि आप ज्वाइन करोगे कि नहीं करोगे, कमेंट बॉक्स में लिख देना. So Staff Talent Acknowledgement Recognition, this is the full form of SBI Star. Star full form you need to remember. कॉन्सेप्ट मैंने बता दिया व्हाट इट इज. नेक्स्ट वन, स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया म्यूचुअल फंड रिसेंटली इन्वेस्टेड 100 करोड़ रुपए इन द लेंसकार्ट अहेड ऑफ द एसबीआई आईपीओ. तो एसबीआई ने from their subsidiary SBI Mutual Fund made the investment of 100 crore rupee in the Lenskart. Lenskart was there in the news. Question आ सकता है एग्जामिनेशन में, याद रखिएगा. So SBI purchased approximately 24.8 lakh shares at the cost of 402 rupees. 402 rupees के अमाउंट पर SBI ने शेयर्स परचेज किए. 100 करोड़ रुपए इन्वेस्टेड बाय SBI from the SBI Mutual Fund. Next one, SBI disinvested 6.33% in SBI Fund Management via IPO. SBI Fund Management came to IPO. In that, SBI disinvested 6.3% in one of the subsidiary called SBI Fund Management Limited. Next one, SBI Foundation recently started a Smart Crop project in which state? So Smart Crop project started by SBI Foundation in Telangana. तेलंगाना में स्टार्ट किया इन्होंने Smart Crop project. So this SBI Foundation is a CSR arm of State Bank of India, Corporate Social Responsibility. Every company in India, either public sector or private sector, on the profit generation, companies required to utilize 2% of their net profit for the social responsibility or social work purpose. Big organizations in India like Reliance, Tata, SBI, they have their own foundation group like Tata Foundation, Reliance Foundation, similar to that SBI Foundation. SBI Foundation, which is a CSR arm of State Bank of India, recently started a project called Smart Crop Project. It is sustainable monitoring, real-time tracking of the crop resilience, optimal practice to increase the production of the crops, to provide the support to the farmers. For this purpose, SBI have done the collaboration with the University of Agriculture Science and International Crop Agriculture Institute of Semi-Arid in Telangana to provide the support to the farmers. तो farmers को तेलंगाना में support provide करने के लिए Smart Crop Project launched by SBI Foundation. डिटेल मैंने बता दिए. SBI Capital Securities recently appointed Bhuvaneshwari A. Ma'am as the managing director and the CEO of SBI Capital Securities with the effect from 1st of November 2025. मैंने 15th of November तक का करंट अफेयर्स किया है कवर इसमें, 15th of November तक का, ठीक है. So SBI Capital Securities Limited appointed Bhuvaneshwari A. Ma'am as the managing director and CEO with the effect from 1st of November 2025, announced by the State Bank of India. Bhuvneshwari ma'am have joined State Bank of India in the 1994 as a SBI PO. SBI PO join किया था 1994 में. So now she has been appointed as the CEO of one of the subsidiary of State Bank of India. What is your plan? Your plan that in which year you are going to become the SB MD and CEO of one of the organization of State Bank of India? Do write that. I'll be seeing your comments. Those who are confident should write. Indian Railway have done the collaboration with the State Bank of India to enhance the insurance benefit for the railway employees. तो रेलवे ने अभी कोलैबोरेशन किया था एसबीआई के साथ में. ऑब्जेक्टिव था रेलवे एम्प्लॉइज को इंश्योरेंस बेनिफिट ऑफर करना. सो इन केस ऑफ एक्सीडेंटल डेथ insurance benefit increased to 1 CR which was previously 1.2 lakh rupees, 60,000 rupees, 30,000 rupees on the different category. आप तो ये अमाउंट याद रखो 1 CR. That accidental insurance benefit increased to 1 crore by the railway after collaboration with the State Bank of India. Additionally, railway employee only holding the salary account with the State Bank of India will now be eligible for the natural death insurance coverage of 10 lakh rupee. Means accidental death 1 CR, natural death 10 lakh rupee. This is what the insurance coverage offered by Indian Railway to their approximately 7 lakh railway employees, those who are maintaining the account with the State Bank of India. So this is the collaboration. Benefit is going to be passed to Indian Railway employees. Indian Railway के employees को benefit pass होगा. Indigo and SBI card collaborated for the purpose of launching two variant of SBI card. SBI card that is called SBI Indigo SBI card and Indigo Card Elite. SBI Indigo SBI Card Elite. तो ये दो कार्ड इन्होंने अभी रिसेंटली अनाउंस किए थे to launch. Both are the cards under the credit card category. So which airlines collaborated with the bank? SBI recently Indigo. Indigo ने collaboration करके कार्ड लॉन्च किया है. SBI Foundation recently launched Asha Scholarship Program updated version. That is Asha Scholarship Program 2025. For this 90 crore rupee allocated by the State Bank of India. The program was started in the year 2022 by SBI Foundation. डिटेल मैंने बताया SBI Foundation का. 2022 में इसको स्टार्ट किया गया था. 90 crore rupees the budget allocation for the current financial year. And in this program, 15,000 to 2 lakh rupee annually scholarship provided by the State Bank of India for the meritorious student. जो पढ़ने में बच्चे अच्छे हैं, हायर एजुकेशन के लिए जाना चाहते हैं, उनको 15,000 से 2 लाख रुपए तक का स्कॉलरशिप प्रोवाइड किया जाता है अंडर दिस फैसिलिटी. State Bank of India Mutual Fund. Next news, SBI Mutual Fund launched their specialized investment fund. I have already explained in the previous session that specialized investment fund is a medium type of fund like पोर्टफोलियो मैनेजमेंट एंड म्यूचुअल फंड. इसके बीच में लेकर आ रहे हैं आजकल स्पेशलाइज्ड इन्वेस्टमेंट फंड. सो एसबीआई हैव लॉन्च्ड देयर स्पेशलाइज्ड इन्वेस्टमेंट फंड. नेम इज मैग्नम. जिसको नाम दिया गया मैग्नम हाइब्रिड लॉन्ग शॉर्ट फंड. मैग्नम हाइब्रिड लॉन्ग शॉर्ट फंड. रिमेंबर दैट minimum investment limit is 10 lakh rupee. If you want to make investment in SIF anywhere, minimum investment limit is 10 lakh and SBI launched their SIF on the name of Magnum. Next one. State Bank of India targeted 30% of women representation workforce in the next 5 years. तो SBI ने announce किया है that currently that SBI women workforce is 27% and SBI want to increase it to 30% from 27% in the next 5 years. अगले 5 सालों में 27% से इंक्रीज करके SBI वुमेन वर्कफोर्स जो है उसको 30% करने के प्रयास में है. ठीक है, ये पॉइंट इन्होंने अभी रिसेंटली अनाउंस किया है. द फ्लैगशिप प्रोग्राम विच इज कॉल्ड एम्पावर हर. अंडर दिस प्रोग्राम SBI is going to increase the overall women workforce of State Bank of India. Next one, SBI General Insurance have launched Health Alpha. Health Alpha is providing a completely comprehensive and a selection based facility like a la carte type. You can decide what are the facilities you wanted to include in your health insurance. Such type of health insurance facility launched by State Bank of India General Insurance called Health Alpha. नाम याद रखना है, Health Alpha is the name of it. Next one, very important news. State Bank of India chairperson Chilla Srinivasulu Setty sir recently received 2 awards at the International Forum of Annual Meet of World Bank and IMF that was held in New York. In this meeting that was held in New York and Global Finance, a New York-based magazine, have provided this award. This award. The awards are World Best Consumer Bank एंड बेस्ट बैंक इन इंडिया। ये दो अवार्ड रिसेंटली एसबीआई को दिए गए हैं। आई एम रिपीटिंग अगेन ए मिस्टेक आई हैव मेड। Award was given by Global Finance Magazine, which is based in New York. Global Finance Magazine based in New York. This magazine have given the award, but the event was held at the annual meet of World Bank and IMF. World Bank and IMF annual meet that was held at Washington DC, USA. तो इवेंट हुआ है आपका वॉशिंगटन डीसी यूएसए में और अवार्ड दिया है ग्लोबल फाइनेंस मैगजीन न्यूयॉर्क ने। व्हाट आर द टू अवार्ड्स? अवार्ड्स है आपके वर्ल्ड बेस्ट कंज्यूमर बैंक एंड बेस्ट बैंक इन इंडिया। ठीक है, ये 2 पॉइंट होगा आपके पास, इंपॉर्टेंट है। अनक्लेम्ड डिपॉजिट इंक्रीजेस or bank with the bank stand at around 67,000 crore. That's what the data shared some time before. Although अभी रिसेंटली डेटा आया था एज ऑन अगस्त, ये डेटा आया था आपका एज ऑन अगस्त, ये जून का डेटा है 30th of June, that 67,000 crore was the unclaimed deposit with the banks. And why the news is important? Because SBI was on top. SBI के पास सबसे ज्यादा unclaimed deposit था, 19,300 crore was the unclaimed deposit with the banks. But recently data came, approximately 75,000 debt fund is there with the Reserve Bank of India. तो अभी एक और बार recently data आया कि RBI के पास जो अभी debt fund है करंट में वो approximately 75,000 के approximately है। State Bank of India celebrated 70 year of formation on 1st of July 2025. We know the journey of State Bank of India. SBI started from the 3 banks, Bank of Bombay, Bank of Madras, Bank of Bombay means that was initially was Bank of Bengal, then Bank of Bombay and Bank of Madras. So Bank of Bengal, Bank of Bombay and Bank of Madras, all 3 banks collaborated together, and after that they converted into Imperial Bank of India. In 1921, Imperial Bank of India converted as State Bank of India in the year 1955. This is how the State Bank of India came into the process. 70 year recently completed on 1st of July 2025. SBI ने अपने 70 years जो हैं वो complete कर लिए हैं। बाकी profit and all I have already told you in the previous part of the same session. इसी session के previous part में मैंने आपको बताया। State Bank of India became the first bank to execute the first gold trade as a special category client in the इंडिया इंटरनेशनल बुलियन एक्सचेंज। मैं आपको ऐसे शॉर्ट में समझाता हूं। इंडियन मर्चेंट्स और इंडियन एक्सपोर्टर्स इंपोर्टर्स, दोज हु वांट टू मेक द इन्वेस्टमेंट इन द गोल्ड, प्रीवियसली दे वर नॉट अलाउड टू मेक इन्वेस्टमेंट इनटू द गोल्ड डायरेक्टली, दे नीड टू मेक द इन्वेस्टमेंट विद some of the intermediate or mediators, a type of, you can say that, brokers. Now State Bank of India, their own bank started buying the gold for the merchant, for the clients of State Bank of India. So SBI executed the first gold trade as a special category client on the India International Bullion Exchange. Bullion Exchange means from where you can buy the purest form of gold, purest form of silver जो आप purchase कर सकते हो. That is called the bullion market. So on 1st of November 2025, this gold trade was executed by the State Bank of India. SBI became the first bank to do so. पहला बैंक बना SBI ऐसा करने वाला. Next one. SBI started imposing very nominal charges on the IMPS started from 15th of August. देखो हम मूव करते करते अगस्त तक पहुंच गए हैं. So 25,000 and above on the charges will be applicable on the IMPS amount 25,000 and above. 25,000 से ऊपर चार्जेस लगाए जाएंगे. If the transaction is in between 25,000 to 1 lakh, charge will be 2 rupees per transaction. If it is in between 1 lakh to 2 lakh, 6 rupee per transaction. If the transaction in between 2 lakh to 5 lakh, 10 rupees per transaction. In one day, you can transfer up to 5 lakh rupee with the support of IMPS, that is immediate mobile payment service. State Bank of India introduced 4 lakh rupee collateral free loan facility for Agniveer. It was also announced by State Bank of India on the 15 August 2025, that was 79th Independence Day of India. So SBI offered loan at 10.5% flat rate of interest. कोई ऊपर नीचे नहीं होगा, flat rate of interest होगा. And defense persons were allowed to take the loan. Agniveers were allowed to take the loan till 30th of September 2025. Collateral free loan up to 4 lakh rupee. State Bank of India Life Insurance have done the collaboration with AU Small Finance Bank for the purpose of bank assurance, where insurance company will be selling their policy with the channel of bank. So AU का channel use करेंगे SBI life insurance. SBI General Insurance partnered with the online platform called Upstock for selling the general insurance policies of SBI with the support of Upstock, where the new generation customers will be targeted, those who want to buy the two-wheeler insurance, three-wheeler, four-wheeler insurance digitally. तो आप स्टॉक के प्लेटफॉर्म से परचेस कर सकते हैं. Winfast Auto have done the collaboration with State Bank of India for offering the financing solution to the electric vehicle customers. So if I'm going to the Winfast and I'm asking to Winfast, I want to buy your car but I need loan, so Winfast will be suggesting me, sir, we have few preferred banks from where your loan will be approved immediately and rate of interest will be competitive. One of them is SBI. तो SBI ने ऐसा collaboration किया किसके साथ? Winfast के साथ. Remaining all the news regarding Winfast I have kept here in the form of table. आप check कर लेना. Winfast have done the collaboration with HDFC, SBI, ICICI, Axis, Central Bank of India. इन सबके साथ में collaboration है. मैंने details दे रखे हैं. You can cover it from the PDF. PDF you know that GA Genius by Aditya Sir Telegram group. From here you will be able to get the PDF. State Bank of India open Micro Small Medium Enterprises Center of Excellence. Where it was started? So micro small enterprises, that is MSME Center of Excellence, started by SBI at State Bank of India Academy in Gurugram. So SBI started MSME Center of Excellence at which place? SBI Academy Gurugram. SBI Academy Gurugram, inaugurated by the Financial Service Secretary Mr. M. Nagaraju sir in the presence of Chairperson C.H. Sethi sir. SBI inaugurated Global Trade Finance Center at Kolkata and Hyderabad. बिल्कुल similar type के news हैं where you can get confused with each other. मैंने साथ में रखे हुए हैं. So Global Trade Finance Center started by State Bank of India recently. One is in Kolkata and other is in Hyderabad. एक कोलकाता में है, दूसरा स्टार्ट किया गया हैदराबाद में. ठीक है, तो these are the pointers which you can revise. Next one, State Bank of India organized the first ever Dream to Demo, a link startup with the investors. So Dream to Demo is a type of platform where startups will be invited, that you can come and you can pitch your product. A type of your Shark Tank, वो SBI ने भी organize किया with the name Dream to Demo. ठीक है, Shark Tank type का, where the investors will be sitting including SBI. Startups will come and they will be pitching their products, and whatever the products liked by the investors, they can give the support also, investment also to such type of startups. So SBI highlighted the collaboration with Startup Tamil Nadu, IIT Madras Incubation Cell for conducting this Dream to Demo initiative. So Dream to Demo initiative started by which bank? State Bank of India. SBI contributed 1.1% of the global GDP growth as a part of 6.7% of the share as per the SBI report. एक लाइन में समझाता हूं. SBI issues a report. According to the report, SBI research report, SBI said that out of the GDP of the world, if GDP of world is 100%, the share of India is 6.7. अगर वर्ल्ड का जीडीपी 100 है तो इंडिया का शेयर है 6.7 और एसबीआई का शेयर है 1.1. So the share of SBI alone in the world GDP is 1.1%. That is what the report says by State Bank of India. PhonePe partnered with the SBI card for launching two variants of the credit card. One is called Purple and second one is called Select Back co-branded credit card. So two variant of credit card, that is Purple and Select Black credit card, launched by State Bank of India card along with the PhonePe. SBI Securities unveiled zero free intraday trading plan for the retail investor. It is called Pro Zero. बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. SBI Capital ने क्या किया? Pro Zero नाम का एक फैसिलिटी लॉन्च किया है. Where on each trading you need not to pay commission. कोई कमीशन नहीं है. You need to pay a flat fees. आप 20 रुपीज पे करो फ्लैट on the buying, on the selling, pay us flat 20. How much you are generating profit, we don't need any commission. This service is called Pro Zero. इसको नाम दिया SBI Capital Securities Limited ने Pro Zero. It is very good initiative for the people, those who are involved into the intraday trading actively. Means buying any shares in the morning and they want to sell at the noon time, they need to pay 20 rupees. Then Flipkart and SBI collaborated for launching the co-branded card SBI Flipkart SBI credit card facility. SBI projected Indian household reached the saving of 22 lakh crore rupee in the financial year 2025. SBI ने बोला है कि जो इंडियन हाउस हैं इनके पास ओवरऑल सेविंग हो गया अप्रोक्सीमेटली 22 लाख करोड़ रुपए का एज पर द डेटा ऑफ स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया। मैं डायरेक्ट पॉइंट बता रहा हूं। Credex recently have done the collaboration with SBI for the purpose of invoice financing facility. So if I am the owner of a MSME and I am expecting to collect a payment from a particular company in next 45 days, but I need fund now. So that invoice I will be keeping with the Credex. From the State Bank of India, fund will come to Credex and Credex will provide me finance. तो इस तरीके से इसको बोलते हैं इनवॉइस फाइनेंसिंग फैसिलिटी, बिल डिस्काउंट फैसिलिटी। सो टाइप ऑफ बिल डिस्काउंट फैसिलिटी for increasing the supply chain and supporting the MSMEs in India. Recently SBI have done the collaboration with Credex के साथ में collaboration किया है। Bank of Maharashtra and SBI card have done the collaboration for launching the co-branded credit card facility. Jio Financial Services taken the full ownership in the Jio Payment Bank 100%. It means SBI sold complete stake in the Jio Payment Bank. SBI का अराउंड 17.8% शेयर होल्डिंग था जियो पेमेंट बैंक में। एसबीआई सोल्ड इट एंड टेकन एग्जिट फ्रॉम द जियो पेमेंट बैंक। अब एसबीआई का जियो पेमेंट बैंक में कोई भी शेयर होल्डिंग नहीं है। 17.8% था अप्रोक्सीमेटली एट द कॉस्ट ऑफ 104 करोड़। एसबीआई सोल्ड इट। एसबीआई पार्टनर्ड विथ एफपीएसबी to incorporate the certified financial planner certification to the employee training program. SBI said that entire workforce of State Bank of India will get the basic training for suggesting the investment option to their customers. कि आपका कोई भी एम्प्लॉय हो एसबीआई का, वो अपने कस्टमर्स को बेसिक इंफॉर्मेशन दे सकता है रिगार्डिंग इन्वेस्टमेंट इन म्यूचुअल फंड, इक्विटी एंड अदर ऑप्शंस, गवर्नमेंट सिक्योरिटीज एटसेट्रा। फॉर दिस पर्पस एसबीआई विल बी कंडक्टिंग द ट्रेनिंग that is called the course called certified financial planner for every employee. This collaboration has been done this collaboration SBI have done the collaboration with FPSB that is Financial Planning Standard Board. इनके साथ में कोलैबोरेशन किया एसबीआई ने। एसबीआई to power the banking services at 26 land port in India. For this SBI have done the collaboration with Land Port Authority of India. मार्च मंथ का न्यूज है, ऑलरेडी अप्रैल हम क्रॉस कर गए हैं। SBI card have done the collaboration with Apollo Pharmacy for the premium credit card facility. And India provided the financial assistance by providing the LOC, that is line of credit, to Maldives of $50 million. This $50 million actually funded by State Bank of India on behalf of Government of India. SBI ने लोन एक तरीके से प्रोवाइड किया on the order of Government of India. SBI card collaborated with Tata Digital for launching the Tata Neo card facility, credit card facility. Grahak Mitra SBI will be appointing in the digital kiosk where the customers need support in passbook printing digitally, in check deposit digitally, cash deposit digitally, cash withdrawal digitally. So there SBI will appoint Grahak Mitra. SBI वहां पर ग्राहक मित्रास को अपने अपॉइंट करेगा, लोअर लेवल एम्प्लॉयज ऑफ द स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया एज वेल एज एसबीआई अप्रेंटिस। सो एसबीआई अप्रेंटिस वगैरह को वहां पर अपॉइंट किया जाएगा। On the International Women's Day in the month of March, State Bank of India have launched collateral-free loan facility for the women. Name was SBI Ashmita. The SBI Ashmita was the name of the loan facility launched by the State Bank of India for the women. And Nari Shakti Platinum Debit Card was also launched. Har Ghar Lakpati and SBI Patron was the facility launched by State Bank of India. Har Ghar Lakpati was the facility of RD, recurring deposit facility, where SBI want every customer of SBI should have at least 1 lakh rupee in the form of savings with the support of RD facility. तो RD facility launch किया है, उसको नाम दिया हर घर लखपति। Second one is SBI Patron. SBI Patron is a type of FD facility where 10% high rate of interest is 10% 10 basis point 0.10% high rate of interest is available for the senior citizen. This is done from my side for this particular video. I hope you guys have gone through with all the important news of State Bank of India in the last 6 months. Even I have included March month. PDF will be available here, तो आप यहां पर ज्वाइन कर PDF ले लीजिएगा। and my batch is available on the Guidely platform for your upcoming classes if you want to prepare GA with me. यहां से आपको ज्वाइन कर लेना है, प्रिपरेशन स्टार्ट कर दीजिए. आई हैव अ पेड टेलीग्राम ग्रुप ऑल्सो. इफ यू विल ज्वाइन इट, कनेक्ट विथ मी and I'll add you to your paid Telegram group. My IBPS PO interview batch is already live. Classes are going on. You can connect with me in case of any confusion. Otherwise, you can confidently join the batch for the preparation purpose. Do like the session, guys. Share your response in the comment box. We'll be waiting for your comments and I will be giving you the next session very soon. एक point बता देता हूं आप लोगों को, जो 1st to 10th of November का सेशन है, 1st to 10th of नवंबर एमसीक्यू सेशन, ये आपका रहेगा थर्सडे मॉर्निंग को. डेट होगा आपका 20th of November. ये सेशन हम करेंगे 20th of November को मॉर्निंग 11 AM. ठीक है, 20th of November मॉर्निंग 11 AM लाइव. So do join this session live on the Guidely YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. Take care. Jai Hind. All the best.